Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, Correct Bet. I want to do today's task. We'll be having a network issue. The FCB company are complaining about upgrade. They're doing upgrade, so all this while you'll be waiting for the upgrade. Even withdrawals that are supposed to happen yesterday is delaying. So upgrade, they say upgrade is going on. So that's why you see my money here drop because I withdraw yesterday, but I never drop yet on my account. So they said they're giving us 72 hours for it to drop. So we are still watching. So, but first of all, let me do my task for today. Let's still see how it's going. So I'm still watching to see how the FCB is working, whether is a good one and all that. We are still watching to see how it's moving. So they did upgrade yesterday. So let me see if I can do my task today because I never do tasks since morning. The network is bad. Let me know if my task I can do tasks today. Let's see if I can do tasks today. Next one is local news, just as we normally do it. So since yesterday, we having network issue opening the app. So let's see after the upgrade. Let's see if it's got. Main thing here is if you can not to invest is the main thing is that the main thing is if you can withdraw from what you invest, that's when the business will be okay. So but if you cannot withdraw, so the business can be okay. So the person is when you withdraw, then you know that the business you're doing is nice. So I'll bring you guys what I'm sure of. So that's why I will be giving you update on how it's working. I'll be giving you update on how it's working. Any things we are seeing, I'll be dropping updates for you guys in case anybody that want to invest, so that you know what to do. So I will know when to stop or when to start. So I'll be giving you guys update about FCB. So now this is a trending business now everywhere, FCB. So I know many people never heard about it, and people that hearing it for the first time so they will understand everything about FCB. That's why I'm dropping this update on YouTube for you guys to see. It is correct bet. After some time, we'll continue with our Zoom soccer as usual. Let me check my wealth management. Oh, it still increase. Let's see how it goes. If my this thing is going to increase for today. Let me check my it's still in story. Let's wait if my earning for today will still drop as usual. While we wait, once the withdrawal I did work, I will show you the alert for you to know. But if I didn't see alert, I will still update you that see I never see alert to see, so that you people would know if FCB is real and if it's not real. So for people that are never registered on FCB, so that you have to verify very well on this channel first to know if it's working. Once you see my withdrawal, if you see my withdrawal drop, if you see my alert, I'll show you. I will draw 10,000. So and the 10,000, their own percentage from the 10,000 is 1K. So what they will draw for me is 9,000. So once I see the alert, I will let you people know. So let me see if my earnings will drop as usual. If it's going to drop as usual. Stay installing. This is correct bet. I'll be giving you updates about FCB so that let's see how it's moving. In case you never register, you can wait whenever I bring you updates about my own withdrawal alert. Then that is time you can register if you want. But for now, you can hold on as I never see my withdrawal. So I never see my alert from FCB. So you can hold on. Once I receive my alert, which is 9K, 9,000, that's how I withdraw for my balance. So once it's dropped or you see the alert, I will update you. Then if you want to invest or to register, then you invest wisely. Let's see. Okay, that's my earning for today. 1,250. It has increased to 8,004. Okay, and my wealth management is still there. 114,444. Okay, so that is it. This is correct bet. I'll be giving you update about this FCB. So let's see. I know many of you never hear about this. So I'll be giving you updates how everything is going on. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Very soon we'll continue our normal Zoom soccer. I'll be giving you update on normal Zoom soccer and also give you update on Sporty Bet. The tricks you can use to get over 1.5 goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.